So now we've done air, now we move to objects. And in this current climate where we have all the issues surrounding COVID-19, the new variants, the new strains, this level of uncertainty that we're dealing with on a constant basis, the only constant realistically is the change, the new variants, and the constant differences we're encountering. Now, you're cleaning the air that you're breathing, so you're cleaning the air that's going into your lungs, but how do you clean the things that you touch on an everyday basis that are really difficult to clean? Awkward shapes. Try manually cleaning an ergonomic keyboard. Try properly manually cleaning a mouse. Try properly manually cleaning a lanyard or an RFID badge. And then ask yourself, how often do you do that? Is it often enough? Now, this system here is the Zeus system. And this is a high intensity UVC chamber. All the UVC is inside this device. In fact, there's 276 watts of UVC in here, 40 UVC tubes. Now, 276 watts is not the electrical power, which unfortunately a lot of manufacturers claim to be their UVC output, which is absolutely not true. UVC takes electricity to generate, so it runs at about 30% of input. So this is 276 watts of UVC energy. And if I open it up, you'll see that it is across all 6 planes. We have an automatic door opening, as you can see. Every single face of the internal cube there has a UVC emitting bank. And that means however complex the shape of your object, be it, for example, a microphone or an even smaller microphone, that means that every single face of this particular device, doesn't matter about the complexity, doesn't matter about the shape, the surface of this device will be exposed to a terminal dose of UVC. At the bottom of the unit is a quartz glass shelf. Now, the interesting thing with quartz glass is it's the only glass that allows UVC to penetrate directly through it. So it means you have a completely clear shelf that UVC can pass directly through. You simply place your objects in, and then you manually close the door. And the idea is now, we set the machine up to run, we have RFID control, and we have touch membrane buttons here. I'm going to press start, and I'm going to run a 30-second treatment, because that's all it needs. 30 seconds. There is so much UVC in here that it is hugely effective to 6 log reduction. That's 99.99999% in 30 seconds, because UVC is a cumulative dose, intensity over time. If I swipe the card here, you'll see that the LED indicators will start to go, and you'll see through our internal camera on the system that will actually show you a picture of the 2 microphones I've just put in there on the screen. That image is actually captured inside the device. It's a smart connected device, and that's collated with the treatment time, with the RFID code, and is emailed to your inbox directly. You have a full auditable paper trail of anything that you disinfect within this system. You'll see the LED counter will count up, will run for 30 seconds, and then you'll see that the system will tell me that the cycle is finished. The idea is now we wash our hands with alcohol gel. This is why we have this automatic opening door. Treatment complete, as you can hear. We wash our hands with alcohol gel, or we put gloves on to make sure our hands are aseptic, and then we simply swipe the card. This is why the door is powered open. I haven't touched anything. I haven't touched the device. I just simply pick up the load that's been disinfected, and then I can go on about my business. The thing with UVC is it's a dry, electrically safe process. It is only light. All these systems use this UVC. We use light at a specific wavelength of 253.7 nanometers to ensure pathogen and microorganism destruction. Anything that's DNA or RNA based will be destroyed in any of these devices. And that's the Zeus system. It is really quick, it's really advanced, it's designed to fit under counter or over counter. It's designed to the same standard kitchen dimensions, 600 by 600, so you can use it wherever you want to. It will fit wherever you want to. Again, it's plug and play. There's no external ventilation requirements or anything like that. You're not creating any noxious gases, and to be clear, 253.7 nanometers does not generate any ozone. So there's no respiratory danger or anything like that. At the back of the system, we have an isolation transformer, so we have a really, really safe electrical feed, and this system will seamlessly run on 110 or 220 volts to ensure that it will continue to run anywhere in the world every single day. It's designed to be used 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as are all of these devices. So now we've finished that, we simply close the door. The system will magnetically lock and go back into its waiting mode for its next load.